Are there any specific requirements for connecting a PS4 to a smart TV wirelessly?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about connecting your PlayStation 4, PS4, to your smart TV wirelessly. This process, unfortunately, isn't as straightforward as connecting your PS4 to your TV via an HDMI cable, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. Let's get started.
Can you connect your PS4 to a smart TV wirelessly?
First things first. It's important to know that Sony's PS4 doesn't natively support a wireless display connection with a TV, unlike some other devices. This means you can't connect your PS4 to your smart TV wirelessly in the way you might connect your phone or laptop, for example.
How can I still use my PS4 without a wired connection?
While the PS4 might not support a wireless display connection directly, you can use a workaround with a feature known as Remote Play. This allows you to stream your PS4 games to another device, like a PC or a Sony Xperia smartphone, which can then be connected to your TV wirelessly. In order to use Remote Play, you need 1. A PS4 system with a game installed. 2. A Sony account. 3. A high-speed internet connection. 4. Another device that supports Remote Play, PC, Mac, or Sony Xperia smartphone.
How can I set up Remote Play?
Setting up Remote Play is relatively simple. 1. First, enable Remote Play on your PS4. Go to Settings, then Remote Play Connection Settings, and make sure the Enable Remote Play box is ticked. 2. Download and install the Remote Play app on your second device, PC, Mac, or Sony Xperia smartphone. 3. Connect your device to your smart TV wirelessly, using a method like screen mirroring or a wireless display adapter. 4. Open the Remote Play app on your device and sign in with your Sony account. Your PS4 should then automatically connect to your device, allowing you to see and control your PS4 from it. While connecting your PS4 to your smart TV wirelessly isn't as straightforward as simply plugging in an HDMI cable, it's definitely possible with a little bit of workaround. By using the PS4's Remote Play feature, you can enjoy your games on a big screen without the clutter of wires. We hope this guide was helpful for you, and happy gaming!